Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to migrate Universal Analytics into Google Analytics 4. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see this is my Google Universal Analytics property. So you can see over here a notification. This property will stop processing data starting on July 1, 2023. To continue measuring website traffic, create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Otherwise, one may be created for you based on your current setting unless you opt out in Setup Assistant. Okay, that means Universal Analytics will stop processing data on July 1, 2023. So we need to migrate our Universal Analytics property into Google Analytics 4. So for migrating, I'll go to the admin section. Then you can see over here in the property section where we have an option called GA4 Setup Assistant. So we'll click on this link and you can see they have told us how to migrate GA4. How you can migrate Universal Analytics into GA4. So I'll click on Get Started and I will enable this check mark. I'll click on Create Property. Go to your GA4 property. So our GA4 property has been set up, Let's wait a little bit. So if I go to the home section, you can see over here, this is our GA4 property and this is universal property. So we have successfully migrated our Universal Analytics property into GA4 property. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can migrate Universal Analytics into Google Analytics 4. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.